Now let's move on to chloroplasts. The chloroplast is found only in the plant cell. We do not find it in the animal cell at all. It is the small organelle that is colored green, and actually, it gives the plant the green color. Chloroplasts are found in the cytoplasm of some plant cells. They are not found in all plant cells. A good way to remember this is that, for example, we have red roses. The red roses have green stems and green leaves. So, there is chloroplasts inside the plant cells that are in the stem and in the leaves. As for the rose petals that are colored red, these do not have chloroplasts, or else they would look green. Chloroplasts contain a chemical called chlorophyll, and chlorophyll absorbs light energy in photosynthesis. Chlorophyll is the green chemical inside the plant cell. It gives the chloroplast its green color, which gives the plant its green color in green plants. What chlorophyll does is that during photosynthesis, which is the process in which the plant gets energy, the chlorophyll absorbs energy from the sunlight, from the sun, and the plant cell can make energy with this sunlight energy. Next comes the vacuole. The vacuole is only found in plant cells and it is not found in animal cells. It is this white space that we see in the middle of the plant cell. It is found in the center of many plant cells. It is a large permanent space, and it is filled with a liquid called cell sap. Now, what this cell sap is water containing sugars and salts. It fills up space in the plant cell because it contains this cell sap, which takes up volume, so the cell can have pressure on the inside to push on the insides of the walls of the cell wall, so that the plant stays strong and can stay standing up because of this pressure. Now the final organelle is the ribosome. Here we have magnified parts of the cytoplasm in both plant cells and animal cells. If we remember, we also magnified the cytoplasm to be able to see the mitochondria, the orange rods, and now we're magnifying again because the ribosomes are the smallest organelles. Here we can see these ribosomes next to the mitochondria. The ribosome is found in both plant cells and animal cells. There are many ribosomes in each type of cell. The ribosome is very important because it is the site of protein synthesis. Proteins are synthesized on ribosomes. So to recap, we have the nucleus in the plant cell and also the animal cell. It contains the chromosomes and it controls the cell. We also have the cytoplasm that surrounds the nucleus and the organelles inside the cell. It is the medium in which all the chemical reactions that happen inside the cell happen inside. We have the cell wall that is found only in plant cells and not found in animal cells. It protects the plant cell and gives it its rectangular shape. The cell membrane is found in both plant and animal cells. It protects these cells and it is semi-permeable. It has small pores on it, which sometimes allow chemicals to leave the cell and sometimes allow chemicals to enter the cell. We also have the mitochondrion, which is another common organelle between plant cells and animal cells. The mitochondrion is responsible for giving the cell its energy through the process known as cellular respiration. The chloroplast is only found in green plant cells. The chloroplast is green because it contains the green chemical chlorophyll. Chlorophyll absorbs light energy from the sun and uses it in photosynthesis to make energy through food for the plant. So chlorophyll absorbs the light through photosynthesis to make food for the plant. The vacuole is found in the center of many plant cells. It contains water, sugar, and salts, which together are called the cell sap. And finally, we have ribosomes, which are found in both plant cells and animal cells, and they are responsible for making the proteins for both plant cells and animal cells. We need to pay attention because this will definitely come as a question in an exam. We might be asked to draw a plant cell or an animal cell and label it, and we might be asked about the functions of some organelles, or maybe all of them, or we might be asked about the differences between plant and animal cells, which are that the plant cell has a cell wall, chloroplast, and vacuole, and the animal cell doesn't, and also that the plant cell is rectangular in shape.